Alright, what's poppin'? LA Cotty Tips here, so let's get straight into it. Today we're gonna be talking about batteries, so let's not skip anything, let's get straight and directly into it. So what we need first is the parts number. So the parts number that we're looking for is 14. You see right here we have the battery. If you look at my other Google left link, I've already found the battery that I needed. Let's just pretend that we bought it already. Alright, so when you're taking apart the Ducati, you actually have to take the battery off from the bottom. So to access the battery, the first thing that you have to do is remove this little panel on top. You remove that panel, you start disconnecting these cables from the battery, which is going to be the positive terminal, and then if you want to, you can remove this other cable which goes to the starter relay, but you don't have to. You remove those, disconnect the negative. Once you remove the battery, you can reinstall the battery that you do have in the exact same way that you took it off. You screw it back in, you connect all the cables that you just used, you lock the housing back up, and you should be done. This information is actually pretty hard to come by, so that's why I'm making these videos. If you want to like learn how to do this super quick, like you see how I just explained it in less than 5 minutes. When you go looking for this information yourself in like specific torque settings, dude, you can go crazy. But that's why I have the workshop manual, I have the parts catalog, and then I have these tutorials that I'm putting up, so like I could just show you and break it down on paper how easy it actually should be. And then if you look right here on paper, like the torque specifications are right there, and there's no way you can mess up something that's already written beforehand. So that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Deuces.